Hello, Kindergarten 2 students. How are you today? Miss hopes that you are in a good condition so you can keep doing your reading projects. Okay, students, like usual, in this video, Miss will guide you how to read the words and sentences in English and Bahasa Indonesia. Later, you will send me the video in 2 sessions. The first session, you will read the words in English, and the second session, you will read the words in Bahasa Indonesia. And of course, you will read the sentence directly later. Okay, so please watch this video, then you follow Miss how to read the word and sentences in correctly. Okay, we go to the first sessions. We read the English words first. Number 1, the Eve, Dave. Right, right. Kite, kite. Note, note. Fuse, fuse. Cute, cute. Lure, lure. Mule, mule. Rule, rule. Mute, mute. Now we go to the sentences. Number 1, his name is Dave. I like to ride a bike. They play a kite on the dune. The note is on the table. Don't touch the fuse. I have a cute mule. My father lures the fish. The mule stands with his friends. Next, she has the rule. We mute the voice. Nah, sekarang kita akan membaca kata dalam bahasa Indonesia. Namun untuk kali ini, Miss akan membimbing kalian untuk mengeja kata dengan benar ya, oke? Nomor 1, ma, kan, kan, makan. bar, bar, lebar. Kuku, mis, kumis. Tomat, mat, tomat. Tut, lutut. Selanjutnya, sat, wa, satwa. Bu, anga, bunga. Bu, nyinyi, bunyi. Pipi, nyepi. Kuku, sus, khusus. Nomor 1, kami makan nasi. Nomor 2, ibu nonton film layar lebar. Nomor 3, kumis ayah sangat tipis. Selanjutnya, kakak saya suka minum jus tomat. Nomor 5, satwa itu sangat dilindungi. Bunga mawar sangat cantik. Selanjutnya, Nyepi adalah hari raya umat Hindu. Oke, selanjutnya, khusus hari ini saja. Nomor 9, saya takut gelap. Nomor 10, ibu selalu berhemat. Okay, students, that's all for your reading tutorial. So, don't forget to train yourself by reading and watching this video. Then, don't forget to send to Miss your projects by our WhatsApp group. Okay? Good luck, students. Thank you so much. See you on our next reading projects. Bye-bye.